We need a sturdy bit. We're using a hexagon bit here. Make sure to avoid mixing up the screws. Because the screws on the inside are different sizes, I printed a container for the screws like this. We'll put the box in place like this. We'll start with the first one. We have some salt. We'll place the salt on our phone. Because the glass on the phone is completely cracked, the salt won't hold. I'll try with a small suction cup. If that doesn't work, we'll try pry it open with a spatula from here. We're not prying it back quickly. We're taking it slow here. As you can see, there are cables in this area. We never interfere with the phone while the battery is installed, folks. We're removing the socket on our battery. Our phone has lost communication with the battery. Now we'll disassemble the rest of our phone. The screw sizes here are different. We'll pay attention to these. We need to put the same screws in the same places we removed. We use a plastic build to separate the screen sockets from the same board. Even though the battery isn't installed, it's still a good idea to use a plastic spatula. We're not removing the screen right away. There are sockets on the bottom. It has 4 sockets. Next, we'll remove the parts on the screen. It's especially important to avoid damaging the fingerprint reader. Because fingerprint readers are a special part of the phone, you could experience problems if you damage them. We'll remove them carefully. Lastly, we'll remove this metal piece. The fingerprint sensor socket is attached, so we'll need to heat it a little. Otherwise, you could tear the flex cable here. We'll apply a light temperature of about 200 degrees Celsius. It will come off on its own. We'll need to remove these films from our new screen. This is one. We'll remove the others. There's also a couple of pieces of film underneath. We can start by placing the necessary pieces. We'll install the sockets in order. First the front one, then the middle one, then the farthest one. Don't force the sockets too much. Just place your finger on it and touch it once. These sockets need to be handled with extreme care. The cables here are very delicate. They should line up and pop out, making a sound. Finally, we'll install the battery socket. Turn it on. Our phone is turned on, folks. There's no problem. We're just attaching the metal parts. There are 2 tabs on the front to replace the screen. Simply place them in place and gently press with your finger. A click is the signal that the cover is secured. Our phone is ready, folks.